today I will show you how to achieve this really cool, elegant dark mode on your photos. So let's start. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun episode. Hope that you're all doing well and that you're ready for this nice, cool, neat trick how to turn your photos into this dark, elegant mode. So let's jump straight into Photoshop and let's turn the dark mode on. Right guys, we are here in Photoshop and this is the photo that we will play with today. I took this photo right here at my desktop, just put several items like you can see here on the screen, took a photo and here we have it. And it's a really nice cool photo but with too many colors and it's a little bit distracting. So that's why I want to turn this photo into more elegant, more pleasing to the eyes, dark mode. And it's really easy to do it, I will show you in a moment. So first thing that we need to do here is to choose which color we want to preserve, to keep, because if we turn everything into black and white mode, it will not be so much interesting. It will be like this. And you can agree this is not such interesting photo. So first I will select a color that I want to keep. In this case, I will choose a yellow color because in my opinion, yellow and black goes really well together. But you can choose any color that you want, depends on the object you have in the photo, ambient, etc. So to select yellow color, you can go and choose any of selecting options that you know that you want to apply here. But I will go with one cool technique that I came up a long time ago and even did a full tutorial dedicated to this technique. You can check it out on the link right here. And now I will just run through the technique. I will not explain you because you have a tutorial on that. So I will go with the hue and saturation adjustment layer, choose yellow color, go here in a difference blending mode, and just play with this a little bit and just narrow the selection a bit like this. All right, and merge everything together, desaturate, go with the levels and just play a bit with the levels to see what we will keep, what we will not keep. So we created basically a mask. I will go to channels, load the mask, control click, load this and hide everything. And now we have selected yellow color. So whatever method you choose to select the yellow color, now you have a selection of it. And now we need to go to black and white adjustment layer. It's like this. So everything is in a color except the yellow. Now we need to invert the mask with Control or Command I, and now we have everything in a black and white except the yellow color. It's really cool. And before we continue with these adjustments, I just want to fix the mask because I don't want to keep this and I don't want to keep this. So everything else, it's pretty cool. I will keep it. This is awesome. In the black and white adjustment layer, the magic happens. So now you can see everything is nice and cool, but those Kit Kat and this chocolate right here and maybe this cable and these Velcro tapes, they're dull. It was red, now it's light gray color, but I want everything to be black. So now we will just play with these sliders right here. So I want red to be black, so I will nail it down. Not too much, I want still to have some lightness in it, so something like that. Also the yellows to be black. Okay, just play with this. This is cool. Also green, everything that was green, like down here, I want to be darker. Also this and blue. Let me see, this is cool. And also the magenta, see this Velcro tape here. So this is cool. And this is it. This looks really cool, much better than before. This is before, this is after. Really nice, cool, dark mode. Also, we can go with the hue and saturation adjustment layer, choose yellows again, and maybe desaturate it a bit, invert the mask. This is optional because I want just to desaturate these colors right here because they're too saturated in my opinion, maybe a little bit here, but this is pretty cool. Also, you can go back and play, maybe you want to brighten up reds a bit, but this is awesome. Right guys, so now we have it before and after, really nice and cool dark mode. What you can do here is maybe go to curves if you want to play with a bit more contrast and maybe wash out the blacks if you want something like this. It's pretty cool too. And so many options you can then play with, maybe add some sharpening here or whatever, but this is it. So simple and easy technique. We went from this photo straight to this in a couple of moments. Right guys, so that's basically it for today. I really hope that you like this really nice and cool trick how to turn your photos into dark mode, more elegant and pleasing to the eyes if you have so many colors there and you want to achieve this cool effect. Now it's up to you to have fun, play, experiment in your own photos and achieve the same look using this really simple and easy technique. Also guys, if you like this episode, if you appreciate this content, just press the like button down below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe in case you're not already, and also ring that bell to get notified about all the future episodes. I'm posting regularly once per week these cool tutorials every Thursday. So that's it guys. If you have any questions regarding to this episode, just leave me down there in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer it. Have fun, experiment, and see you in my next fun episode. Bye bye.